The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a very different flagship, especially in two key areas that matter most to users: the camera and the display. Instead of focusing on flashy features, Samsung appears to be shifting toward accuracy, realism, and everyday usability. While this approach may not sound exciting at first, it could be one of Samsung's smartest moves in years. For a long time, Samsung phones have followed a very recognizable photo style. Colors often look bold and vibrant, with bright skies and deep greens. While this style looks great on social media, it doesn't always reflect real life. According to recent leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to move away from this exaggerated look. The main goal of the S26 Ultra camera is reportedly simple realism. Samsung is said to be tuning its image processing to show colors as they appear in real life. This is especially important for skin tones. In previous Galaxy phones, faces sometimes looked overly smooth or slightly off in color, particularly under indoor lighting. The new processing aims to reduce artificial smoothing and deliver more natural-looking results. Interestingly, this change does not rely heavily on higher megapixel numbers. Instead, Samsung is rumored to be upgrading the camera lens itself. The Galaxy S26 Ultra may feature a wider aperture, allowing more light to hit the sensor naturally. With more light, the camera does not need aggressive software processing, resulting in cleaner images, better low-light performance, and more accurate colors. At first, realistic photos may seem less exciting compared to bright, punchy images. However, natural photos give users more flexibility. It's easy to add filters later, but it's almost impossible to remove heavy processing once it's applied. With this shift, Samsung appears to be targeting users who care about photography quality, especially those spending premium prices on an Ultra model. This move also brings Samsung closer to Google's Pixel approach, which focuses on natural colors and fine details. Apple, on the other hand, tends to prefer warmer tones and consistency. By choosing realism, Samsung is clearly saying that accuracy matters more than exaggerated colors. The display on the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be just as important as the camera. Reports suggest Samsung is working on an advanced privacy display designed for real-world use. While Samsung has shown similar concepts in the past, this version is expected to be far more practical. The privacy display hides on-screen content from side angles. When you look at the phone straight on, everything appears normal. But anyone trying to peek from the side will see a dark or distorted screen. Unlike traditional privacy screen protectors, this feature can be turned on or off whenever needed. Leaks suggest users will have multiple ways to control this feature. It may activate automatically when opening sensitive apps like banking or payment apps. There are also rumors that Galaxy AI could manage the feature intelligently, hiding content when someone nearby looks at the screen. What makes this display stand out is its outdoor performance. Privacy displays usually reduce brightness, but the S26 Ultra is said to maintain full brightness while still blocking side views. Even in direct sunlight, the screen reportedly remains unreadable from the sides while staying clear for the user. Despite this added privacy, image quality is not expected to suffer. Colors should remain accurate, text sharp, and overall clarity intact. This allows users to enjoy privacy without giving up Samsung's well-known display quality. Beyond the camera and display, other upgrades are also expected. The wider camera aperture may result in a slightly larger camera bump, but it should significantly improve low-light photos. Charging speeds are also rumored to improve, with support for 60W wired charging and faster wireless charging compared to the previous model. Even with these upgrades, the privacy display feels like the most unique feature. Samsung has long been a leader in display innovation, and this feels like the next step in that journey. As smartphones store more personal data, privacy is becoming just as important as performance. The Galaxy S26 Ultra may not rely on flashy tricks, but its focus on realistic photography and built-in privacy could make it one of the most practical flagship phones yet. For users who value accuracy, security, and real-world usability, this approach may be exactly what they have been waiting for.